I think today's topic, which season do you like the most, is clear to you. As you know that there are so many seasons in our country: summer, winter, rainy season. So, which season is your favorite? Which season do you like the most and why? So, it is up to you. How can you describe your favorite season? So, I'm starting with Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav and my today's topic is my favorite season. So my favorite season is summers. And 50%, more than 50% of the Indians like summer. I think so. And I like summer because of the holidays, the food, the treats, the
Hmm.
sweets, the moments and the opportunities, opportunity to travel and meet with our cousins
Hmm.
and also on and we get holiday for enjoying. But our school is very, it gives only 1.5 months holiday. But the treats and the food we get is absolutely delicious. Like ice cream and other sweet things, ice creams and in beverages, I would like to invite my favorite is plum shake, mango shake, papaya shake, and many other shakes. And in fruit, and there are many fruits. My favorite one is mango, and other ones, secondaries are watermelon and oranges, grapes, no, not grapes, and many other delicious fruits. And we like summers. That's it, I guess.
Okay, very good. Just now, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit and today I'm going to tell you about my favorite season. As you know that there are many seasons in a year, and I like the most is the summer season, which it starts from April or May and stays till September and October. And I like this season the most because in this season we are able to do many activities like we can travel many places as it is the best time for doing so because in this time the days are long and the nights are short and we can get more time and we get more time to explore new things what the personal reason I like it is that in this season I am able to study more because in the other seasons the days are small and days are small and nights are big. That's why I find that I am not able to study more in because in the night I feel sleepy and in summers the days are long and I am able to utilize my time more and more more and more. And also there are many reasons like in summers we can eat many fruits which are beneficial for our health like watermelons, melons, and all these types of foods are consumed by us during this season, which are very good for our health and also taste good. And as we know that in this season we get summer holidays which are in summer holidays in which we enjoy a lot and explore new and new things, read new books and play our favorite sports that we like. So that's why I like this and this season is very useful and we should utilize every day of this season because the every day is not same that every day is not same. We should utilize these days. That's it.
Very good. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today my topic is which is my favorite season. My favorite season is winters. I in the winters start from mid September or end of or starting of October, and they ends in March or the half March. And in this season, we grow the crops which are called rabi crops, like wheat, eat maize, etc. And I like this season because in this season we have less holidays, and we can spend more and more time in our schools, and the nights are longer so that the nights are longer, so that we have a lot of time to rest in night. And in this there is also energy consumption, as we use less electrical appliances like fridges, ACs, coolers, fans, etc. Because in these are the machines used in summers to protect our food from poisoning. But in summer there are no such risks. The here we can keep our food outside, and as they is cold, so they will not spoil. And here and in summer, if there is no electricity, then also in winter, if there is no electricity, then also we can spend our night comfortably. But it is not same. The case is not same uh, in other seasons, because there we need electricity to spend our night comfortably. And here in winters we can eat a lot of fruits, and also we wear many clothes in which gives a good look to us, and we feel comfortable with them. That's it, sir.
Correct. Okay. Yes, Minu.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Minu. Today, my topic is my favorite season. There are many seasons. They are named rainy season, summer season, winter season, spring season. I'm telling my favorite season is rainy season. Rainy season comes after season, and it starts in June and ends in September. In this season, sky looks cloudy, and storms are booming. Streets and roads become muddy. Children love to, children love to play in the rain.
Connectivity से
Shadow in the morning, and it looks very great. Ponds and rivers become filled with the water. Uh, and rainbow is also seen on the sky. Uh, and the rain is very useful for farmers. Farmers, so farmers work hard in their field.
शाबाश 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 कोशिश करो ऐसी.
That's uh,
ओके कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, बस कोशिश करते रहे. ऐसी टॉपिक, ऐसी कोई भी टॉपिक मिल जाए, अपन कुछ भी बोलें, थोड़ा बहुत बोलें जरूर. यस, एंड नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of Ramban, all the related classes of B16. And today, again, I am here with another topic that is my favorite season. So, as we know that we live in India, and India has mainly four types of seasons, and winter season is one of them, and it is my favorite because the season has its quality, so I like it. Uh, so, first of all, I want to introduce you the winter season. The season which is full of coldness is called winter season, uh, and uh, and it comes in November and goes in February or March. And in this season, there is fog and coldness most of time. And in this season, people like to sleep in their houses and not want to go their workplace. And in this season, uh, people people also use socks, blankets, cords to protect. themselves from the winter. And the season is also very important for the farmers because in this season they don't need more water to irrigate their plants and their सर सर फसल क्या बोलते हैं फसल को
Crop.
crop and in this season water and electricity are saved because in this season the in most of house fans AC are off and in this season most of people don't like to take bath so it is also important to save water and in this season we can eat oily food but if we see in summer season so it is not good to eat oily food and and in this season we also get to chance to sit there nearby firewood and it makes our relationships with people good
Shabash.
and in this season the fruits and vegetables comes which are full of vitamins nutrition and fat like like apple gavaya banana and peanuts and radish carrot etc and we should also be careful for our food so that and it is and this season is also very important because in this season we can make our immunity system strong with the help of good food and in this season if someone wants to become physically fit so it is best season for him so at last I want to say you that in this season be careful from coldness so that's it
Must be careful. Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश. हिमानी, confidence के साथ बोलो मुझे भी बोलो.
Okay. Good evening to all of you. I am Himanshi Raj from Rambat Interactive English Classes from the B22. Today's my topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is winter. Winter is my favorite season of the year.
शाबाश शाबाश.
I love the cool weather and the winter season. I like the cozy clothes, woolen clothes, and the warm food.
शाबाश शाबाश. ऐसे बोलो. Very good.
In winters, I enjoy drinking hot chocolate milk and coffee with my family and sit near of heater.
शाबाश शाबाश.
The air feeling fresh of the winter and I like the morning of winter because it is very foggy, which is very foggy. There are many fog.
Much fog.
There are much fog.
There is आएगा ना बेटा much के साथ में is. There is much fog.
There is much fog in the winters. There is much fog in winters like on some places like Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, etc.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो आराम से, घबराओ मत। हाँ।
winter holidays. In winter holidays, we have do some fun, also a fun, because I get time to relax and spend time with my family.
शाबाश शाबाश।
Even though it gets darking early, the night feeling very foggy and cool air. I like to wearing jackets, socks, woolen clothes, cozy clothes, etc. in winters. Sometimes we visit to many places that are these places are cooler and I love seeing froze fog on the grass. Winter makes me feeling
Makes me feel first form.
winter makes me feel happy and calm.
शाबाश शाबाश।
I like winter season because there in that season मैं सर जमा होना किस क्या बोलते हैं
डिपॉजिट।
डिपॉजिट
जमा होने को डिपॉजिट। हाँ बोलो, कलेक्ट क्या है, सेंटेंस बोलो।
बर्फ एक जगह जमा हो जाती है।
हाँ तो डिपॉजिटेड कर दो।
It deposit the fog deposit one place.
At one place.
That one place. I like it very much. I like it so much. When I go to other places like Jammu, Kashmir, Srinagar, etc. So there are many fog.
Much fog, beta.
There is much fog
हाँ ऐसे ध्यान रखा थोड़ा। हाँ
in these places. In those places.
those places इनकी भी जरूरत नहीं थी, बोलो आगे बोलो।
We drink hot water, boiled water, and eat hot food. In winters, wear thick jackets, woolen clothes. In winters, in winters we feel very cool. So The jackets and woolen clothes
सेव अस टू की जरूरत नहीं है,
save
कॉमन
us
यूज क्या करो, टू बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हो आप, बोलो।
save us from cool air.
हम्म,
We we wear sweater also in winters.
हम्म, हम्म,
Winter is season in which we eat fruits, type of fruits.
हम्म,
So my idea is for it. Winter is season for spend time for with our family and go for and visit
हम्म।
to other places. So that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा। कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and today our topic is our favorite season. We all know that we live in India and we have many different seasons like summer, winter, rainy, autumn, spring, etc. And all seasons have different beauties and charmness in our nature. And in different seasons their nature give us different types of beauty and goodness for us, and all seasons have their advantages and disadvantages also. And but my favorite season is the winter season, and it is coming also. And winter season is the good season, and in the winter season there are different types of charmness in the nature is looking by us. And the winter season is come on at mid October to November, and it is the end in mid March. And winter season is the very beautiful season for us. And winter season give us different types of things like different vegetables, fruits, and goodness for us. And like we can eat different types of fruits in the winter season like pomegranate and chucundar, etc. And we can eat different types of vegetables in winter season like cauliflower, carrot, beets, etc. And green vegetables are also grown up in the winter season by our farmers. And green vegetables are very important for and healthy for us, for our body. And with the help of green vegetables we can feel very healthy, and it gives us iron. And it is very healthy for us, and we can eat with in different ways in the vegetables in like a paranthas, etc. And and in the winter season different types are laddus made by our parents and our grandparents also, and different types of pudding like uh, carrot pudding, etc. making by in our houses. And in the winter season different types of air and and festivals are come in the winter season.
फोकस करो थोड़ा बार फॉर्म पर।
Yes, sir. And like Diwali, Dhanteras, and Makar Sankranti, Holi, etc. And all festivals are very beautiful in our Hindu Dharma, and we celebrate these festivals with joy and happiness. And Diwali is the most biggest festival in our Hindu Dharma, and it is celebrated for 5 days, and it is coming also. And winter season is the most favorite season by liking by people, but it has disadvantages because in in the winter season poor people can't live with happiness because they spend winter season and also different types of season in the
शाबाश
footpaths and roads, and it is not good for us, so we should help that poor peoples. And I don't like that, seeing that the poor people feel bad in different types of seasons and everywhere. So it has disadvantages of winter season, but I like it because in the winter season we feel very freshness in evening and morning, and in the winter season air is different in the morning and evening,
बहुत
and I like winter season. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वो तो बहुत अच्छा आ गया बेटा। तो वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस किया कर थोड़ा
Yes,
बेटा।
sir.
हाँ, बाकी तो सब ठीक है, वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो। सबसे ज्यादा गलतियां सभी लोग यहीं पर ही करते हैं, तो इसको थोड़ा सा ठीक करो। आदित्य,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya, and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B20. Today's our topic is our favorite season. As you know that there are so many type of season, uh, summer season, winter season, rainy season, autumn season, spring season, etc. But my favorite season is winter season, and why I like winter season. There are three reasons I like winter seasons. First reason is we can we can see when when we arrived early in the morning and we go on our roof and see around us so much fog we see, and that is very nice weather, and we should and we want that we always see that weather, and so many people goes to walk to heat their body and
वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, बोलो बोलो।
and get hot because now time winters is come,
नाउ टाइम में
and
नाउ डेज, हाँ
yes, nowadays winter is come, and we and
विंटर इज कम कैसे हो जाएगा? विंटर इज कमिंग।
winter is coming,
या
and
वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो थोड़ा, हाँ बोलो।
and temperature, and when the temperature is very low, we cannot move our body parts because they become so cold. And the second reason is food. We eat healthy food in summer season, like green vegetables and and other seasonal fruits,
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ
and we can spend our time with our family because so many holidays are come in winter season.
फिर आर कम नहीं, कम वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, हाँ बोलो।
And last reason is all people wear all people wear woolen clothes, and they see very cute and nice that time. And we can say that winter season is very useful for us because we go to park and do physical activities to heat our body, and that is very nice thing. Yes, so that's it.
ओके शाबाश बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करो बस। थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, थोड़ा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे, वर्क फॉर्म पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करो। अंजलि, अंजलि।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is winter because my birthday comes in that season.
वेरी गुड, हाँ यस।
In winter, we we set we set on forward on heater. Winter is very good because in winter we eat spicy things, and in drinks we drink hot chocolate.
चटोरी है पूरी, चटोरी तो पूरी है, तू बोल आगे बोल। बोल खा ले पी ले चॉकलेट पाउडर। हाँ
Yes, sir. And hot coffee. In winters, there is very fog, and sometimes we can't see. Winter, we use in winter, we get holidays and we enjoy in the holidays. We wear jackets and woolen clothes. In winter, there are lot of festivals come. In winter, Diwali, Christmas, and other festival comes.
शाबाश, कम नहीं कम, कोई बात नहीं बोल।
In winters start on November.
इन नवंबर
to
सारा है तो इन लगाना चाहिए मंथ के लिए। हाँ ध्यान रखेगा थोड़ा।
November to and ends in February or March.
ओके बेटा ठीक है, अब तो काफी ठीक आ रहा है तेरा, थोड़ा सा इसको मेंटेन करके रखना मैडम। अब पता चलेगी 5 दिन के बाद फिर वहीं पहुंच गए, फिर तेरे को मुझे करना पड़े तेरा कुछ इलाज। बेटा थोड़ा मेंटेन करके रखो अपने आप को, है ना बेटा। हाँ नीचे नहीं जाना है, ऊपर ही जाना है। गर्वित।
Yes, sir. My today's topic is my favorite season. My favorite season name is summer. Summer is my favorite season. It has 2 reasons. First, in summer season, my birthday is come.
भाई बर्थडे कम, वेरी गुड। और आगे बोलो 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 बोलो। हाँ
In summer season, I eat ice cream. I don't like winter season because when I eat ice cream, I had fever.
शाबाश। साइंस का ध्यान रखो, वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा बोलो।
I don't like rainy season because in rainy season when rain was come, light was gone and we do not sleep in AC fan.
फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, सेंटेंस पे फोकस करो, सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग।
In summer season, government gave lots of holidays. In summer season, I go my nanny house. And summer season is come month of March, and in summer season my father bring ice cream on every week, and we all family like ice cream, and we all family eat that ice cream happily. Yes, sir. That's it.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा लेंथ बढ़ा बेटा, थोड़ा सा और फोकस कर जरा चीजों पे भी, है ना? इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है लेकिन बहुत स्लो हो रहा है, थोड़ा फास्ट कर इसको। हाँ, नहीं पीछे रह जाएगा बेटा, समझ लेना। आगे आना है, पीछे नहीं रहना है। कबीर,
Yes, sir.
बताओ
Hello,
बेटा।
everyone. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir Sahab. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from West B18.
हाँ,
The topic is my most favorite season. So you can guess I am, and so first of all you should know I am an Indian, also a Rajasthani.
ओके
So
you know.
favorite season.
ओके
So you are I like summer most. I like summer most. And in this season, we eat गाजर का हलवा। नहीं, गाजर का हलवा तो सर्दी में आता है। सर बाजरे की रोटी,
हाँ,
बाजरे की रोटी, आइसक्रीम, और यार ये सर है, etc. And school gives us a lot of summer vacations in which we so much fun with our friends, family members, etc. We also play mobile games and physical games, and and school also gives us schools give us summer vacation homework, which we do not do, and only do fun with our family members. And you can see that summer is so useful for us, because in it we can in summer vacation is so useful for us. In it we can do so much things, like we can learn Priyavachi Vinum Shabd, synonyms, antonyms, etc., which is useful for the next class, for the class, or for the next class. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके, खटके तगड़े ही हैं तुम्हारे, एक बात है। कल्पना,
Yes, sir. Today my topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is summer season. It is the hot season. This season lasts for May to June. I like to eat ice cream in this season. I go to my village in this season.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे
I like to swimming in this season. The days are long and night are short. I eat my favorite fruit mango in summer.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोल।
I also go to cold places with my family. I get summer vacation in this summer season. I like summer season very much. That's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छी,
Thank you, sir.
आ जाओ सिमरन। सिमरन
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about seasons. And there are many seasons in India, but I like only rainy season. And as well as that, rainy season is very important for farming, and it is very useful for
मतलब रहा बेटा, आराम से बोल, कोई चिंता मत कर, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोल, बस बोल बेटा। हाँ,
for farmers, because many crops are dependent on rain, and it is
give us greenery, and it always keeps control water level, and it is great for everyone, and sometimes uh, it is dangerous for us,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ,
because sometimes dirty water are spread everywhere, and many mosquitoes and mosquitoes are spread everywhere, so many chances
there are many chances.
there are many chances become many disease like malaria, dengue, cough, fever, etc.
वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोला कर। हाँ,
And many people mm, don't go anywhere in this season. If uh, rain rain is if rain comes continue, so many people don't go anywhere
कैन
in
नॉट,
this season.
कैन नॉट ज्यादा
Cannot.
अच्छा आएगा ना यहाँ पे। हाँ, ऐसे सोचा कर थोड़ा सा।
Okay, sir.
क्या बोल सकते हैं?
And uh, why is favorite this season? And because in this season I play in bath, and uh, many children like rain, and many children make
चिल्ड्रन में ऐसे नहीं लगाते कभी भी, चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल होता है। बोलो, आगे बोलो। हम्म,
many children makes water water water, sorry sir, paper water.
हाँ हाँ, घबरा मत, आराम से मत बोला कर। हाँ,
My and my mother make in this season my favorite is pakoda, and in this season mm, I wear colorful raincoat, and we purchase many colorful umbrellas, and I don't like winter, because in this season I get allergy, so I don't like winter season, and that's it, sir.
बहुत ऐसे बोला कर। आज ना कोई कभी अच्छा अच्छा बोला ना, आज ऐसी रिकॉर्डिंग किया कर रोजाना अपनी, खुद ही सुना कर करके आ जाएगा बेटा इम्प्रूवमेंट, ध्यान रखना। यस, कम ऑन अर्षित।
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, can you please clarify me the topic of today?
योर फेवरेट सीजन।
Oh, okay, sir. So, hello, everyone. My name is Archit More, and today's my topic is my favorite season. So, according to me, my favorite season is rainy season or monsoon season. It in India it begins from June to July and lasts up to September. And we can see that in monsoon season there are many things that take place. Like we can see that it is the season of kharif crop, which are paddy, jawar, tur, dals are grown, and many things are grown in this season. And therefore, it is liked by me. And there are many reasons for it too. Like we can also see that there are many farmers in our country, and some of them are not able to irrigate their fields, therefore they are totally dependent on the rain, and monsoon season is the season in which there is rain all over the India and world. And we can see that in this season we can have a nice produce due to a nice quality and quantity of water. and in this season we can say that there is we can say that this season is the season of economic development for India, as in this season many crops are shown, and we can see that India is the largest producer of some crops after China. And we can see that in India those crops are grown in this season, and there are many crops which are grown in this season which are like a protein full for a vegetarian diet. Therefore this season is liked by me. And if people if uh, we can see that people say that they don't like this season because there are mosquitoes and all these things are there, so you will have to compromise with every season. There is a problem uh, and a solution and pros and cons of a season, only the thing is of our perspective, that how we take that season and how that should be. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। काजल,
Yes, sir.
हेलो।
Hello, everyone. My name is Kapil Meena, and today, uh, my topic, my favorite season. So, as we all know that there are so many seasons uh, monsoon season, autumn season, and summer, winter, etc. So, I'm telling about my favorite season. So, my favorite season is winter season because uh, in this season we in this season we uh, enjoy and we all most of the people like this season because in this season we make so many food and we enjoy it with our family. And in this season uh, so many fog and
देयर इज सो मच फॉग,
there
फॉग
is
इज
so
अनकाउंटेबल। हाँ बोलो, बोलो, शाबाश।
there is so much fog and it is also and it is and and winter season is very I like winter season because in this season we wear so many clothes and there is no need to there is no need to anything.
ऑफ
And
एनीथिंग, देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ एनीथिंग। कोई बात नहीं, तू बोला के रिकॉर्डिंग में सुन लेना बेटा, बोल।
there is no need of anything and we enjoy winter season with the hot tea and milk, coffee.
हाँ,
And we make many foods like paratha, bajra roti, and 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 many other.
ठीक है।
And this season is very good for all. And in this season is start with the month of November. And and uh, and in this season Diwali comes, and Diwali comes in this season. And it is and in this season uh, come Diwali comes in this season. And uh, and Diwali is my favorite festival. And uh, so also so I'm also like this season for this reason. And in winter season we can eat high food. And there is so much fog. And uh, and we wear many clothes can wear many clothes. And in this season and in this season many crops are grown. And
शाबाश, शाबाश। हाँ।
like gehu, sarso, uh, etc. And also farmers grow many vegetables in this season. And it is for good, it is also very good. And and any and uh,
आराम
and
से घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी।
yes sir.
हाँ आराम से बोल बेटा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, आराम से बोल, बढ़िया बोल रही है।
Okay sir.
हाँ बेटा।
We can see that any season has their own advantages and disadvantages also, because and uh, and winter season has its own quality, and it is
बहुत बढ़िया।
and it is not good for all, but that because we can see that many poor people, they don't have home, and they sleep on footpath, and they live on footpath, and uh, they live on footpath, and they don't have their own home, and not good for them. It is not good for them because they suffer so much in this season, and they they feel very they feel very
मिजरेबल।
miserable.
हाँ।
Yes sir.
शाबाश
They
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल बेटा
very
तुम। हाँ
they feel many miserable, uh, and uh, they uh, they suffer so much, and all seasons are their own advantages and disadvantages, and we should we can we should we have to compromise in all seasons, and people, their own view in their own view, they like their own seasons, and all people not like all seasons, and all people their uh, own things, and they have to they see their view, they see all seasons in their view, and I like winter season, and that's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा करने लगी है, वेरी गुड। यस नाउ दिस इज रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग बेटा, खुश रहो बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is what is my favorite season. So we all know that we are living in the country that is India. That is a very diverse country, and we know that in the respect to seasons, there is also a big diversity in India, like there are all types of seasons that can be found in India, and the people who are living in India, and on all the Indians are lucky that they that all that they all face all types of seasons,
शाबाश।
and like rainy season, summer season, winter season, spring season, etc. So and we know that every season has its advantages and disadvantages. It is the perspective of all the people that how they take it, and so according to me, my favorite season is rainy season, and we all know about rainy season. Rainy season is the monsoon season, and so first of all, I'm telling the geography of the rainy season.
वेरी गुड।
So yeah, rainy season is classified into two types: advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon.
वेरी गुड।
Advancing means the coming of monsoon, and retreating means the going of monsoon. Because we know that the when the northeast trade winds uh, uh, bring clouds filled with water, travels from the southern ocean and Indian Ocean, and comes to India, and rains in India, and we know that in rainy season there is neither hot neither cold. There remains a moderate temperature, and
and it is the rainy season is the season of the kharif crop, and we know that kharif crop is grown in the in the rainy season because kharif crops require much water for growing them, like rice, paddy, maize, etc. And it is the season when there is the coming of many fruits like watermelon, mango, etc. and and in this season we get the joy of eating these fruits, and and we know that in this season we can also eat ice creams and different type of things that we cannot eat in winter season. And we know that in this season when there is a shadow, there is shadow at all the place, and the
Shadow नहीं बेटा,
sun is
shade होता है,
covered.
shade.
Okay, the shade at all the place, and the black clouds are covering the sun, and no sunshine is coming to the earth. Then that weather is very joyful, and gives a different feeling to the people, because a cold air is blowing at the place, and 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 it is a shade at every place, so that weather gives a different feeling. And we know that and also with the advantages, there are also many disadvantages of the rainy season, like because of changing temperature in the rainy season, many people get viral fevers and cold and coughs, and that becomes a disadvantageable moment for them. And also we get a difficulty in going from one place to another because of rain. And but we should by keeping these points aside, we should enjoy the season. So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good बेटा. Just come on, Muskan.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm telling about my favorite season. Winter is a cool season, and winter is my favorite season. It starts from November. It's end in February. It is a pleasant season.
शाबाश बेटा, very good
Winter,
बेटा.
winter. Winter day are short and night are long. People wears warm clothes. We use blanket and heater.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. धीरे धीरे बोल, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा. हाँ बेटा.
Hot food is liked in winter.
अरे very good यार, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, आज तो तू कुछ मूड में दिख रही है अच्छे से. में हैं? हाँ, ऐसी नहीं रहे मैं, कभी कुछ डाउन अप डाउन होती रहती है, तो इसको लेकर रहती है. बोल ऐसी, शाबाश बेटा, बढ़िया बोल रही है. बोल. हाँ.
Falls in some places. Children enjoy holidays, and it has its own beauties. It is a season of food and flowers. We play many games in winter. People like to drink hot tea and coffee. People like to sit around the fireplaces. Children get summer vacations, and people like to sleep the most in winter because they get good sleep in winter. And in winter we make बाजरे की रोटी and carrot halwa. In this children mostly fall sick due to cold. cold, and some people sit in the sun
Hmm.
in winter.
Hmm.
And in this season, uh, in this season of the office and school timing change,
Hmm.
and are children are most uh, uh, stress
Hmm.
out out about bathing during winter.
Hmm.
and and in and winter, I like winter. That's it, sir.
यार तो बहुत बढ़िया बोली तू। हैं सुस्त रहती है, मतलब क्लास में बोलती तो अच्छा है तू। तो छुट्टियां ज्यादा करती है, थोड़ा सा फोकस कर बेटा, थोड़ा सा चीजों पे, है ना। और ये थोड़ा मेंटेन कर अपने आप को, आज अच्छी कल गड़बड़, ऐसे मत कर बेटा, समझ गई ना।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, ऊपर की तरफ जाया कर, नीचे मत आया कर बिल्कुल भी। अन्नो
यस सर।
आजा बेटा।
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है बेटा, दिख नहीं रही तू। बोल बोल बेटा।
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone, and Radhe Radhe, everyone. Today's my topic, my favorite season. My favorite season is winter. Sir, एक भी बात पूछनी है।
हाँ।
बहाने मारने को क्या कहते हैं?
प्रिटेंड, PRETEND।
क्या क्या?
प्रिटेंड, PRETEND। या
There are
एक्सक्यूज
many
भी
types
कर
of
सकते हो आप। हाँ।
Okay, sir. There are many types of season like monsoon, autumn, summer, etc. My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter because we can expose that we have fever and we can do holiday from school.
हाँ बस ये
And
चाहिए इनको। हाँ बोल 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 बेटा।
and we also can we also can eat hot drinks like hot coffee and many other things. I like to eat dal bati in winter, and we can sit behind the heater
शाबाश।
with coffee, and we can play hide and seek or many other games in the fog. And if there is 5 days holiday in winter, we also can do 3 days more holiday in winter.
मोर हॉलीडेज, यस वेरी गुड। इसलिए विंटर अच्छा लगता है तुम्हारे को। बोलो आगे बोलो, शाबाश बोल बेटा।
I also like winter because my birthday also come in it. My birthday come in January 8.
8 जनवरी। हाँ।
Winter is my favorite season. Those people who speak summer is the best, I want to say anything that when your
बोल 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 बेटा।
t-shirt is very wet in winter and you are very tired in winter, do you know?
यस
So that's it.
वेरी गुड। बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है यार ये बहुत शानदार परफॉर्मेंस है इसका। ऐसे कोई बहुत कम बच्चों में ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस मिलता है मेरे को। आई एम हैप्पी यार विद दिस गर्ल यार, सो नाइस, वेरी गुड यार। यार विपिन भी बहुत अच्छा करता है। आजा भाई विपिन।
Yes sir.
आ जाओ, पधार। में तो ढूंढ रहा था तेरे को, एब्सेंट लगा दी थी मैंने तो तेरी, फिर लगाई बाद में प्रेजेंट काट पीट के। आजकल फोन पे लेता हूँ सारा। बोल बोल बेटा। टॉपिक है माय फेवरेट सीजन। यस कम ऑन विपिन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic is my favorite season. There are many seasons in India. My favorite season is summer season.
शाबाश, धीरे धीरे बोलना बेटा, तसल्ली से। हाँ,
Summer season is very hot season,
शाबाश।
and I like summer season very so much. Government give summer holiday on summer season.
In summer season.
In summer season,
हाँ,
my favorite food is summer season. My favorite food is dal bati churma in summer season.
हाँ, ठीक है, वेरी गुड।
My favorite drink is छाछ राबड़ी and mango juice in summer season.
हो तुम सारे के सारे, वैसे एक बात तो है। हाँ, चलो मेरे साथ चलो, मैं तुम्हें वहां पे चटवाऊंगा बेटा। हाँ, बोल। शाबाश, अच्छा बोल रहा है, बोलता रहे, बोलता रहे।
Many time I study in summer season.
मच टाइम आई स्टडी मच टाइम इन समर सीजन। कोई बात नहीं, बोल, घबराए मत, हो जाएगा सब ठीक, बोलता रहे।
And summer season is 6 month season.
शाबाश शाबाश। सुना, छोटे छोटे बच्चे देखो कितना बढ़िया बोलते हैं, कितना दिमाग लगाते हैं। हाँ, बोल।
So, my favorite fruit is mango in summer season.
हाँ, शाबाश।
And I go to nani house and dadi house in summer season.
मोटा तो होता नहीं है तू, नानी के जाए चाहे दादी के जाए, रहता तो वैसे ही है, सूखा सूखा सा। खाता नहीं है नानी के जाके। बोल आगे, बोल।
That's it.
That's it हो गया। हमारे तो लेसन पढ़ते थे हम, नानी के घर जाऊंगा, दूध मलाई खाऊंगा और मोटा हो गया आऊंगा। तू मोटा हो गया तो आता नहीं है तू यार, तेरे को मैं इतने दिनों से देख रहा हूँ, क्या है तेरा ये है? तो खाने पीने में ध्यान दे थोड़ा सा। पर बेटा बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है इस बच्चे का भी, नाइस। अब तो छोटे बच्चों में मजा आने लग गया, पहले तो डर लगता था कि अरे कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट अब मैं देख रहा हूँ बहुत नाइस, वेरी नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन प्रियंका।
Hello friend, my name is Priyanka Jain. I am student of B22 in Rambagh English classes.
शाबाश।
Today
बिल्कुल भी।
is topic season.
सर
My season.
सर एक बार काट सकती हूँ कॉल?
हाँ काट दे बेटा। हाँ बोलो प्रियंका, काट ले बेटा।
There are different seasons in India.
छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस, शाबाश।
I am know 3 season. Summer season.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बोलो बोलो, बस थोड़ा सा फर्क पे फोकस करो, बस बोलो।
Summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Season are on time.
घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, तुम बोलो कैसे ही बोलो, घबराओ मत।
My favorite season, winter season.
Is winter season, बोलो आगे बोलो।
Winter season is cold season.
हाँ शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो, बिल्कुल बोलते रहो।
Winter season comes November and go February and या March.
इन लगाओ, इन February और March। हाँ शाबाश, बोलो।
Summer season, I am like summer season mango, watermelon, melon, etc. Winter comes green vegetables come in summer season.
वेरी गुड, ऐसे बस आ जाएगा सब, चिंता मत करो। हाँ वेरी गुड, बोल।
People wear warm clothes like woolen jacket, sock, cap, etc. People eat मोटे अनाज में मोटे अनाज
हैं?
मोटे अनाज को क्या बोलते
मोटे अनाज को तो अब मैं भी नहीं बता सकता ऐसे तो आपको,
हैं? वो
कुछ अलग ही वर्ड
कौन
बताया
ग्रेन
आपने इसके लिए। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं,
ईट
मैं तो बता
जैसे
दूंगा, आपको भी तो बोलो आप। हाँ,
लाइक कॉर्न
हम्म,
कॉर्न मल्टी ब्रेड्स बटर मिल्क राबड़ी
शाबाश
एक्सेट्रा.
शाबाश। हम्म,
People wear
कोर्स
blanket,
ग्रेन बोल सकते हैं आप मोटे अनाज को, है ना, कोर्स ग्रेन। कोई बात नहीं, अब तो बोलो, आप आगे बोलो, बोलते रहो। हाँ
blanket heater.
हाँ।
Winter season celebrate Christmas, Makar Sankranti,
हम्म,
Diwali, etc.
हम्म, हम्म,
People eat laddu,
हाँ
तिल के लड्डू,
शाबाश। हम्म,
गाजर का हलवा,
हम्म,
etc.
हम्म। गाजर का हलवा तो सब जगह बनता है। हाँ, इसके बिना तो सर्दी बेकार है, जब तक घर में 2-4-5 बार गाजर का हलवा नहीं बन जाए जब तक। हाँ बोलो।
People eat hot coffee. People, नहीं sorry, people drink tea and coffee.
हम्म, हम्म,
Eat warm food.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हम्म,
Some people go to warm place.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ये चाहिए बस, अब तो हो गया काम।
My favorite place Jammu Kashmir.
इज जम्मू कश्मीर। हाँ, वर्ब का ध्यान
Jammu.
रखो। हाँ
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया करने लग गए हो आप। सेल्फ राइटिंग बंद मत करना, बिल्कुल कंटिन्यू रखो, ठीक है ना।
Okay.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ आजा महालक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is about summer, and my favorite season is summer. And summer is the hottest season, and sun rises very early, and and in this season we wear sir सूती कपड़े को क्या बोलते हैं?
आओ आ जाओ।
We wear cotton clothes, and we can enjoy by eating mangoes, watermelons, etc. We can drink cold water and juice, etc. And government give us a lot of holiday for enjoy our for enjoy
हाँ
for enjoy our families members, and we can go to tour and picnic with our family and friends, and and in India this season gradually start after March, and 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 in the July and August, and in this season the farmer grow mangoes, watermelon, etc. And nowadays the children can take training with teachers. They can join music class, swimming, etc. We can go to swimming pool in this season for get joy and happiness.
हाँ बोल बोल बोल।
and in this season we can eat ice cream and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश। आइसक्रीम आइसक्रीम पे छोड़ा है तूने। चटोरे तो तुम सारे के सारे ही हो। एक बात तो है, बिना खाने पीने के तो कोई सीजन पूरा ही नहीं होता। तुम्हारा हर सीजन में खाने पाने की चीज ढूंढ लाते हो तुम।
Yes, sir.
खुशी आ जा बेटा, खुशी आ जा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Kujjar. I'm telling about my favorite season. My favorite season is winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of the year. It brings a lot of things in festivals, different types of festivals. It brings different type of festivals like Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Christmas, etc. And it brings different types of vegetable, fruits, and people wear warm clothes like jacket, coat, sweater, etc.
शाबाश बेटा।
Most of the people remain on their roof for sunlight,
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड।
and most of the people cook delicious food, and most of the drink to hot drinks like tea, coffee, etc. And it is a very beautiful season, and most of the people like this season. And it comes after raining season,
शाबाश बेटा।
and the days are short and nights are long in this season,
वेरी गुड।
and most of the families go to visit in winter holidays,
हाँ, शाबाश, घबराए मत।
and it is very beautiful season. That's
शाबाश बेटा यार, बहुत बढ़िया। अब तो तेरे को डर भी नहीं लगता है। पहले तो तू घबरा जाती थी, अब तो तू घबराती भी नहीं है। वेरी गुड। अब इसको मेंटेन कर रखना थोड़ा सा, समझ गया ना। अब जो डर निकल गया है इसको निकाल ही देना बेटा, अब दोबारा मत आने
yes,
देना
sir.
इसको। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।